Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set mobile hotspot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, in your phone, open settings, then go to connections, and here just click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Here just turn on the button against mobile hotspot and click over mobile hotspot. You have the options to change several settings like network name. Here network name is by default it is changed after that is after purchasing it is changed to Chandran's A17. Okay, so by default it will be like Samsung Galaxy A17. Okay, so here just I write Mingy A17. Okay, and also you can set a password of your choice. Here already set a password. Okay, I have set a password before, and click on the security, and if you would like to set no password, click on open. Okay, or if you would like to set a password of your choice, set a password here. Okay, so I just here select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minimum 8 characters required. Okay, click on save. Hotspot is created. If you would like to use this hotspot, bring another mobile. Here I have another mobile, nothing phone 1, and go to the notification area, and just long press on Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. This signal will be received uh, in uh, in this phone. Okay, see. See here, yes, it is received, and just click on Mingy here, and you have to supply the password that you already set. Okay, and yes, it will be connected. Yes, it is being connected, and yes, so in this way you can easily create hotspot and connect to other device. Okay, so if you have mobile data in sim 1, that is Mingy, that will be used in sim this device too. Okay, I am checking whether it is working or not. And yes, it's working. So in this way you can easily set mobile hotspot and connect that hotspot to other devices like other mobiles or other TV or other Wi-Fi enabled devices. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.